guys, my hair is screaming for help. So my hair need help, and that is what I'm giving to my hair right now. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this beautiful face and stressful face for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Norma. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to do that and join the family. And to my OGs, you guys already know how much I love you guys. So thank you for always being here with me. I love you guys. At least you guys are not those ones that are just subscribing for subscribing sake. You guys are always here for me. Thank you. So, on today's video, we are doing a hair protein treatment. I don't know, I'm just tired, but I have to do this. So, my hair has been screaming for help for long, and I've been just busy. You guys, adulthood is something else. But I have to make out my time, to do this, because if I don't do it, my hair will bear the consequence. So I have to do it. So what I have is avocado, egg white, and what else? Coconut oil and olive oil. Just little things available. So I'm just going to, apply. My hair looks so dry, guys. Like my hair has been screaming for this treatment, and I haven't been paying attention. Like I said, adulthood is after my life, but we must win. So in order to apply this, I'm just applying water because my hair looks so dried. So I need to, get my hair a little bit wet before applying it. You guys, I wanted to add the egg yolk, but I don't want to, like, see some particles after washing my hair. So that is why I'm making use of egg white only. So if you are doing yours, you can also use everything, but make sure you wash your hair very well, because if you don't do that, we are going to be seeing some particles on your hair, and you wouldn't want that. So I'm just going to apply this at the same time detangle my hair, and after that I'm going to let it stay for at least 30 minutes or 15 minutes. If I'm able to leave it for 30 minutes, fine. 15 minutes is also okay. It's 30 minutes already. See, see, I'm sweating. You guys, this is my hair after 30 minutes, and I can tell you that my effort was not in vain. Like, my hair feels so relaxed, so soft. This is your sign to, do your protein treatment, because you have been saying, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it for long. Do it now. And here is my hair after wash. Feels so soft. Like, I feel like styling my hair, but I can't style it with this water. So I'm just going to let it dry a bit before styling it. So while my hair is drying, I'm going to use it to do something else. You can see my hair is growing. You guys, you remember when we started this journey, how short, how small my hair was. But look at my hair now, like my hair is growing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, you guys, the protein treatment really works so good, so you should try it out. It worked so perfect. Please do try it out and thank me later. So while I'm waiting for my hair to dry, I'll just do my skincare, because I showered immediately after washing my hair, because I know you don't want to carry your dirty skin like that. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me, oh. I'm just like that sometimes, okay? So here I'm using my toning solution, the ordinary product. I don't know if this thing is still working or not, but I don't know. I'm just using it for using sake. You guys, somebody should help me, because I'm tired of skin care products. Try my best, yet nothing is working. But I'm just a girl. I can't stop skincare. I'm just a girl. So now my hair is dried. So I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner and my hair oil. Hopefully, if I have strength, maybe tomorrow, I mean the next day, after the day I washed my hair, I'm going to style it. So yeah, that is all we have in this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed from the beginning to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay? Bye. Yeah. I love you guys so much.